Well, I came to just get ready for a ski trip in February. That was 4 months ago, and now it's like, so what, ski trip, big deal. Now I'm into a whole different style of how to work out, how to look at making my body better. So this has just been transformational for me. I feel like I've gained body mass. I definitely have a lot more muscle than I used to. I feel like I can go a lot longer when it requires cardio or things of that nature. I feel just a lot better about when I wake up in the morning. The aches and pains that I used to have are pretty much gone. If anyone was skeptical or wondered what EarthFIT was, well, I'd encourage you to come down and watch a session, or just talk to the people who are doing the sessions, because that's really almost evangelism. It's not quite as crazy as the other workouts that are out there. It's more whole body, whole mind, as well as getting a good workout. So it's all those things, and if you can look at it from that perspective, rather than, you know, today's a back day, today's an arm day, today's a leg day. Instead, when you come to WholeFit or EarthFIT, it's an everything day. Everything gets worked out. I look forward to coming in the mornings. I wake up early, for God's sake. I'm up at 4 o'clock in the morning for a 6:15 session. It's exciting to come, and that's not how I used to look at workouts.